that could be one of two things. It could be the blower motor itself, the bearing in the motor, or there could be a debris, which is either a leaf or any foreign object that's somehow got into the blower motor. This car has almost 20K. I don't see it being a motor, but it could have been like if you're parked underneath a tree, you got a lot of leaves, you have a critter living in the car. You have to check your cowl, see if there's a whole bunch of where your wipers are. There's a lot of leaves, that's where it gets sucked in. This is the motor. There could be something inside here that makes that little ticking noise. It might be hitting something against a piece because it's very close to plastic inside the dash. So it might hit something. So this was the noise that was making. This was a leaf inside a blower motor. I was just propped up against something like that, and it'll make that tick, 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 tick noise.